Hey there, food enthusiast. Today, we have an exciting topic lined up for you. Low-calorie, high-protein foods. Yup, we're about to unveil some game-changing ingredients that will not only tantalize your taste buds but also help you reach your health and fitness goals. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Now, you might be wondering why we're advocating for low-calorie, high-protein foods. Well, let me tell you, these gems pack a double punch. Low-calorie foods allow us to enjoy generous portions without sacrificing our calorie intake, making weight management a breeze. Meanwhile, high-protein foods work wonders for muscle building and repair. It's truly a
Ooh.
win-win situation. Let's kick off with a superstar ingredient that can be found in almost every kitchen: eggs. These versatile orbs are not only easy on the wallet but also boast an impressive protein profile. Packed with all essential amino acids, eggs are nature's way of saying, let's build some muscles. Plus, they can be enjoyed in countless ways, from a fluffy omelet to a creamy scrambled delight. Get cracking, folks. Now, let's talk about that creamy spoonful of goodness, Greek yogurt. Unlike its regular yogurt counterpart, Greek yogurt undergoes a straining process, resulting in a concentrated protein bomb. With double the protein content, it earns a gold star in the realm of low-calorie, high-protein foods. Not to mention, it's incredibly versatile, creating a base for smoothies, a topping for pancakes, or even a creamy substitute in your favorite recipes. Your taste buds won't know what hit them. Brace yourself, people, because we're about to reveal a secret about avocados that will keep you on the edge of your seats. Yes, this beloved fruit, the almighty avocado, not only brings that rich, creamy texture to the table but also sneaks in a decent amount of protein. Surprised? So are we! Avocado's healthy fats stabilize blood sugar levels and keep hunger at bay. So go ahead, indulge in that guacamole guilt-free. Calling all plant-based eaters, this one's for you. Edamame, those cute little green soybeans, are a fantastic low-calorie, high-protein option. Packed with essential amino acids, edamame serves as a complete protein source for all our vegan and vegetarian friends out there. Whether steamed, boiled, or tossed into your favorite stir-fries, edamame pulls its weight in the protein department while also delivering a nice crunch. So, snack away guilt-free. And there you have it, folks, a whirlwind tour through some incredible low-calorie, high-protein foods that will revolutionize your diet. From eggs in Greek yogurt to avocados and edamame, these power-packed ingredients are truly the key to building that desired muscle tone while keeping those pesky calories in check. So, go on, explore the world of nutritious flavors and let your taste buds embark on a delicious, guilt-free adventure. Remember, it's not just about the numbers on the scale but the joy of nourishing yourself inside and out. Stay healthy, stay happy, and we'll catch you in the next video. Happy eating!